Azimio mano Raila Malo Odinga pod nitiere nyime sir mar jo Kenya ka koro nonro okete nyime ni en kanyo to kod kwanata malo 47 kopim to kod jalup jatend piny owacho mano William Ruto mantiere kod kwanata malo 41 mago jo Kenya kata wechego mago mbulpono ni timo yiero odiochieng' ma kawuono. Mano en kaluwore kanyo kod duoko mar nonro mar kambi mar Ipsos mabende koro nogol mogik motelo ne dhi e yiero. Nonro no bende yango ni kwan mamalo mag rowere koro keto sir margi ne moluor William Ruto kopim gi mar Raila Odinga mabende koro en gi thoth ji mabende chakre higni 35 kadhi nyime.
If we paint the country in the different candidates' strengths, we see that Raila Odinga has 18 counties that already have a voter preference of above 55% for him. And William Ruto has 17 counties where voter preference is 55% for him. We think that could be a clear win for those candidates. However, we have about 11 counties which we present as a battleground. The votes will be decided on how the candidates fare on those 11 counties. And those counties are where none of the candidates has a 55% or a clear lead above 55%. And those battlegrounds are Lamu, Nyamira, Wajir, Mombasa, Kitui, Samburu, Nakuru, Narok, Kiambu, Bungoma, Tana River, and Marsabit. So depending on their activities in the next 7 days, those counties will decide who wins this election. Now let's get to the numbers. The devil is in the detail now. So some of the numbers. We see that about 30% of Kenyans, actually 32% of Kenyans feel the country is moving in the right direction. Actually, over half, 53%, feel the country is not moving in the right direction.